Welcome back to Cooking with the Man. Today I'm really excited. We're going to be making some Popeye fried Seitan chicken sandwich. It's going to be really good. It's going to taste a lot better than Chick-fil-A and Popeyes or Wendy's. But it's really easy. To get started, we'll be making our Seitan, and that recipe I'll have a link. Alright, so we're just taking out the patties out, so you see the size of the patty. It's a little bit bigger. Normally, I think of the original recipe, I just wanted to bring this out so you kind of see it. Is normally I make these small size, so you can make it a little bit easier. But I just wanted to show you how it is, because you can make the sandwich and also you can make these nuggets as well for kids. A lot of with my kids, they don't really eat the sandwich, so I make these Seitan nuggets for them. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 cups of flour. I used 2 teaspoons of salt, but if you want a little bit less, you could use less. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I put 1 teaspoon of cajun powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And for the wet ingredients, it will be 1/4 cup of milk, half a cup of hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of mustard, which I already put in there. Okay, make sure we mix all the dry ingredients together and make sure it's mixed very well, and we also mix all the wet ingredients. After, we would dip our Seitan into the wet mixture, and then we would dip it back into the dry. We'll be doing double dipping, so after you make sure that it's nicely coated, you go back and we dip it again into the wet, and then once we get that nice and wet again, we put it back into the dry mixture. After we get that coated, we simply put it aside and go on to. Okay, we'll just put it in, shallow fry it for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how golden you want it. I would just double check sometimes to see if it is cooked well. So we just let it in there and just wait a few minutes. And then now we just flip it over and fry it on the other side. And then now you can definitely see the nice golden brown color. And just make sure it's nicely fried all around. And there you have it. You just assemble it by just putting on a bun. Put your favorite toppings on it, your favorite sauce. I have ranch dressing. I hope you like this video.